Alright, the tire came off nice and easy with the right tool. I gotta pull this splash panel off, so I had to get the wheel off. That panel goes all the way across the bottom, or yep, all the way across. So all the way. Let's see if I can get a focus view. This plastic panel here goes all the way across. It's gonna be a bit of a wrestle. I think I can get it. Okay, I got the water draining, and when I did, I realized, see that puddle there? It's coming from a different spot. It seems to be a bit of a problem. I'm not sure it looks, I don't know if you can see it dripping there. Let's see. See if I can find the view here I'm looking for. Where is it? There it is, down there. There it is. Now it seems to be right where the water pump is. I can't tell for sure from here. But anyway, clearly there's a leak there. Hopefully it's the water pump. As soon as I open the cap there, it just come running out of there. So I don't know how it didn't overheat on the way here. But there'll probably be some obvious signs of overheating in other areas. Pipes do look a bit blue, but not bad. So I'll continue on with the forensic investigation as I dissect it and take it apart. I have to take all these units out of here, remove the motor mount, cruise control actuator. I might even have to remove the custom strut support bar, and it's gonna have to be removed. So when I'm jacking on the motor, moving things around down there where the timing cover is, to remove it, I'm gonna have to have it out of my way. Out of my way, I say. Alright, so back to work. Okay, I've removed the I had to remove the custom sway bar support. It was obstructing the ability to remove the valve cover, and the valve cover removal is a necessary process in removing the timing cover. I have the motor mount. It's been removed there. Ready to go ahead and remove the top timing cover, and then the bottom crank, lower the motor and do the crank pulley and pull the crank off in the bottom timing cover. Okay, there we are. We're at the old here's one of the balance shafts right here. I marked it with white so I can have a reference point as to how the lines are going to line up, like that. The other one's marked, the other shaft is marked on the bottom side, and down through here. There we go. Right there. And this mark here, that mark right there, goes actually right there with that little white line. When you spin it, let's see if I can, you spin it, I don't know if the camera picked that noise up, but it's making noise. And so is this one. I recommend replacing both of them. This bearing could go out anytime. It's making noise, it's drying up. Been in there a while. Same with that one. You can also see how it's been losing its grease because it's dry in there, up and clean where it's at, where it sits. So in the back you can see it's been losing its grease a little, so that's why they're making noise. So this one, I can't really tell if it's apparent that is, yeah, I'd say it's been losing a little. Okay, this water pump's being replaced. This is the old one. Of course, the shiny one there is the new one that's going in. This was the culprit the whole time. See how black it is at the bottom and wet there? It was leaking there, and then also leaking out of the warning hole right there. A little hole right there. Lots of water was coming out of there, so the problem's going to be fixed. But strange he didn't say it was leaking that bad. Anyway, all that will be handled. It's just a matter of, I'm going to put the water pump in, and then it's just a matter of him getting those two bearings right there and make it totally secure. Okay, the new belts have been replaced. We get the new balancer shaft tensioner pulley, brand new. Timing belt tensioner pulley, brand new. Brand new belt on the timing belt. So all its factory specifications are back up to normal. Everything's hooked up, lined up. It's been double checked, spun around twice, double checked, triple checked, tightened up. I'm going to commence reassembly on this here vehicle now. Alright, now I'm replacing the complete gasket set, or valve cover gasket set. Just going to be replacing these oil seals that go right here that seal it to the block, or to the head around the spark plug holes. Keeps the leak oil from getting in there. New gasket around the edge. And also we're going to add, we're going to put new ones of these on right here. These little McGadgets. These are going to be for the top holding the cover on the other side that seal the 4 holes that bolted on. So that's going to be all brand new and pretty fine. Okay, here we are. It's back up and running. Same vehicle. Okay. This was the other seals that go into these bolts that were put in. New valve cover gasket. You see it in there, that little gray strip that goes all along. And of course the seals that go in the spark plug hole. Seems to be running like a clock. You can hear it going tick-tock. Everything seems secure. So all I need to do now is make sure it's full of coolant, and put the bottom splash panel in the tire on, and I'm done.